Yeah, me too. You got some nice digs, though. I ain't gonna front.
T'es où, ma petite mouche? Fils de paix, t'as pas bien que Charlotte n'est pas là ce matin.
You know, sometimes you just gotta step out of your comfort zone.
Cop a squat. Tea's getting cold.
Sup? Only worse. She'll go through.
You'll be burping like...
I need a fumigation squad just... Oh.
That wasn't stinkless.
I really shouldn't have eaten those berries. It's not my fault, okay?
Get out of this place. That's right.
You think I'm gonna throw up? Oh, excuse me. Conditions.
Oh, get lost. You're starting to stink up the place.
What do you know? You just won the burping contest, too!
Oh, pardon me.
Oh, love, your burps are like the sweetest.
N'est pas là ce matin.
Thing like that.
It just makes you boring. Wow, that's nothing.
Failure.
It's all about converting fire to fuel. Yeah, there it is. Lunch.